Seretse Khama, 1921 to 1980, was a key figure in the history of Botswana and a central figure in the country's struggle for independence. Here is a brief biography of Seretse Khama. Early life. Born on July 1, 1921, in Seretse, Bechuanaland, now Botswana, Seretse Khama was the grandson of Khama III, a paramount chief of the Bamangwato people. Seretse was educated in South Africa and later studied law in England at Balliol College, Oxford. Marriage controversy. In 1948, while studying in London, Seretse Khama met and married Ruth Williams, a white British woman. Their interracial marriage stirred controversy, both in Britain and among the Bamangwato people. The British government and the Bamangwato tribal elders opposed the union, fearing political repercussions. Struggle for independence. Seretse Khama's marriage became a focal point for racial and political tensions in Bechuanaland, then a British protectorate. In 1950, Seretse was briefly exiled from Bechuanaland by the British government, leading to widespread protests and international attention. Public support for Seretse and Ruth Khama grew, and the couple was eventually allowed to return to Bechuanaland in 1956. Leadership and independence. Seretse Khama became a leader in the Bechuanaland Democratic Party, BDP, and played a crucial role in the political negotiations leading to Botswana's independence. In 1966, Bechuanaland gained independence from Britain, becoming the Republic of Botswana, with Seretse Khama as its first president. Presidency. Seretse Khama served as the president of Botswana from 1966 until his death in 1980. His presidency was marked by a focus on democracy, economic development, and social progress. Botswana, under his leadership, experienced political stability and economic growth, partly due to prudent management of the country's diamond resources. Legacy. Seretse Khama is remembered for his commitment to racial harmony, democracy, and nation-building. His leadership is often cited as a key factor in Botswana's success as a stable and prosperous African nation. The capital city of Botswana, Gaborone, was named after him in 1969. Death. Seretse Khama passed away on July 13, 1980, in Gaborone, Botswana, and was succeeded by his son, Seretse Khama. Seretse Khama's life and legacy symbolize the triumph of justice, equality, and leadership in the face of adversity. He remains an enduring figure in Botswana's history and an inspiration for those advocating for social justice and equality worldwide.